everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Nykaa haul. So I recently purchased a bunch of products from Nykaa, but in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing products which are under ₹100. So yes, if you are interested, please continue watching the video. Also, if you're seeing me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell. Now, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. Also, all the products which I'm going to share today have been purchased by me almost, I think it's been a while. It's been almost 2 months now. So the range may vary, but it is going to be a little bit. It just depends upon the offer. So yes, all the products are going to be linked in the description box. So if you are interested, please go and check them out. Also, today's video is a haul. So of course, I'm not going to review any product because many of them have not even opened it. So I'm just going to be sharing it randomly. So the first product which I'm going to show in today's video is one of my most favorite skincare product ever, and it has to be a sheet mask. So I bought these Lotus Herbals White Glow sheet masks. I purchased like 4 of them and I have used one, and I have to say you that it works great. So yes, you can give this one a try. Also, this is for 85 rupees. The next product which I have here is a body wash. This is by Fiamma. This is in the variant Peach and Avocado, and they come in many other variants as well. You can choose according to your preference. I also got 2 other variants, but I'm using it right now. So yes, this is the Peach and Avocado. Also, all of these Fiamma shower gels comes with a loofah. This is like free with this. So yes, in case you are interested. And this one costs for rupees 55. The next product is a Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Honestly, I have never invested in a micellar water. I've always used coconut oil to remove my makeup. Even today, I prefer coconut oil, but I had to give this one a try. Honestly, it's been a while since I've purchased this, and of course, this is super affordable. This is like for, this is for 175. It is somewhere near 200. I'm sure this was on sales. The next product is also a makeup product. This one is a liquid concealer by the brand called NY Bay. Is in the shade 3. This is what the shade of the concealer looks like in case if you are wondering. I have used it like twice and it honestly worked pretty well. But it's too soon to give an honest review out there. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on any of my next makeup videos for sure. Is rupees 195, which is super affordable for a concealer, and on offer of course you get it super cheap as well. So since a long time I was searching for a good aloe vera gel. I know that these green color aloe vera gels are not pure and all of that, but I was just honestly searching for nice aloe vera gel very randomly, and I came across this Banjara's aloe vera cucumber gel. I don't know how pure it is and all of that. I just simply purchased it, and this one is for ₹100. So yeah, it is super affordable. And also have not even opened the seal, so I cannot of course tell you how the product is, but yes, I'm gonna soon try this. The next product is a lip balm, and no matter how many lip balms we use, I'm sure you all are gonna relate. We come back to this OG lip balm, which is of course a Vaseline, and I have 2 tubs here. One is a huge tub and one is a super cute, and like this is so handy, and that's the reason I purchased it. So this one was for like ₹120, so just like 20 rupees extra. And this cute tub right here was for ₹5. I honestly purchased this one just for how cute this looks, and yeah, and also who does not love Vaseline? I do not need any kind of review for this product, so yes. The next product is a moisturizer, and I have been in love with this moisturizer. This is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer, which has vitamin E, and I absolutely love this moisturizer. It blends in so beautifully, and it also sits very beautifully under makeup. I have used a huge tub, and that's the reason I have repurchased this one. If you are dry skin, if you need a moisturizer under your makeup, please give this one a try. You're gonna absolutely love this. This one is for 45 rupees. Since I purchased a bunch of face washes, but in today's video I just had to show products which are under rupees 100, so I have just one single face wash for today. This is the Lotus Herbals White Glow 3-in-1 Deep Cleansing Face Wash. Now this one is a foam face wash, like the texture is foamy, and yeah, this one costs for rupees 140. This suits all skin types out there. The next product is again a Nivea cream. I have also used this one in the past, and it also worked great. So yes, I had to repurchase it, and this is for rupees 35. Next product which I purchased are these facial wipes. Of course, one always needs some facial wipes. They are so super handy, and yeah, these are for rupees 45 each. Okay, so I have one more face wash, and this one is a Neutrogena Deep Clean Facial Cleanser, which is amazing. I have used one bottle already, and this is my second purchase, and this one is for rupees 130. Also, I think they come in more variants. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, this one, I have used this particular one earlier as well, and it really worked great. The last product or products I would say in today's haul are these nail paints which I purchased, and these are from one specific brand which is L18, and I already own a lot of nail paints from this particular brand. They're super affordable, and they come in a lot of colors, so you can go ahead, choose colors which match your vibe, and you're gonna love them because they provide so amazing quality for the amount you're paying. So yes, I have in 5 different shades, and yeah, I have not applied any of these yet, but I'm surely gonna use them all. So yes, that's pretty much it for today's haul. If you want to see more products of Nykaa which I have purchased and which are above the range that I shared today, then please comment down below and let me know. Also, if you liked this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and that's pretty much it. Also, do not forget to follow me on my other social media accounts like Instagram. All the details are given in the description box. So please go and check that out. Also, all the products which I have shared today are in the description box. Please check them out if you are interested. Also, the rate may vary because, as I said you at the beginning of the video, I purchased them almost 2 months back. So of course the rate is going to vary, but it is very much near to what I have shared today. So yes, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.